good morning everyone. How are you all? Welcome to Sourav Sir classes and I am Chiru Thakur Jaiswal. Namaskar, Swagatam. Today we are discussing important examination, that is Telangana State Public Service Commission exam, and this is previous year paper. So let's discuss that paper because upcoming examination is on 10th and 11th June. And this exam is very important. If you are serious about your examination, yeah, then you have to do practice for your PYQ, previous year paper. So let's start today's question. Question number 1. Telangana state has bagged 13 out of 46 National Panchayat Awards 2023. Wow, very nice. Okay. So this is appraisal year 2021 to 2022. Match the following villages with their category of awards. Let's start. This is a proud thing that our state won prizes. Okay. So one second, where, yes. A. Gautampur, Badradari, Kothagudam, and number B. Nelutalla, Jangaon. Number C. Kongatpalli, Mehboob Nagar. Okay, and then Epur, Suryapet. I'm really sorry if I pronounced wrong. Please correct me in the class as well. Okay. So award categories: water sufficient panchayat, woman friendly panchayat, healthy panchayat, clean and green panchayat, and socially secure panchayat. So what would be your answer? Yes. A. Gautampur, Badradhari, or Kothagudam. Kothagudam. Okay. This directly matched with, one second guys. Yes. This belongs to healthy panchayat. Yes, this is healthy panchayat. Okay. Then Nelutala Jangaon. This will go match with water sufficient panchayat. Okay. Kongatpalli and Mehboob Nagar. C. This directly match with B. 5 option, socially secure panchayat, and Apur or Apur. This is Apur Suryapat. That is woman friendly panchayat. I really happy to read this question. Okay. So the answer will be A3, B1, C5. Yes, option number 2. Okay. Let's move on question number 2. That is, consider the following statement in relation to the RBI's working paper, state's fiscal performance and yield spread on market borrowing in India, released in January 2023. So here RBI working paper statement is there. So you have to tell the statements which is correct or which is wrong. Okay, let's see. Let's see. The average debt to gross state domestic product of Telangana from 2014-15 to 2018-19 was 16.1. Okay, that's all about the stats question. Whether it is right or wrong, you have to tell me. And option B, the state's percentage of own revenue generation in total receipts is deteriorating, writing fast. Okay. Deteriorating, writing fast. Okay. Tell me, what is right? State percentage of own revenue generation is deteriorate? No, I don't think so. So B is wrong and A is right. So only one is correct. Only one is correct. Next, question number 3. According to data of the State Transport Department, there are 1.53 crore vehicles in Telangana as of March 2023. Arrange the following vehicles in the descendant order based on their number. Okay. There are two based why I don't know. Okay. So based on their number. Okay. Auto rickshaw, motor cars, goods carriage vehicle, tractor and trailer. So we have to made it in descendant order. Okay. The transport March 2023. Then motor cars will be number 1. That is but obvious. Okay. Number 2 is tractors and trailers. Okay. And number 3 is B, auto rickshaw, and the last is goods carriage vehicle. Okay. So this is the data of March 2023. Okay. Okay. Move on next question. Question number 4. So what will be our question number 4 is, consider the following statement in relation to the performance of Singareni Collieries Company Limited SCCL, okay, during 2022-23. So let's read the statements regarding with SCCL. It has produced more coal than the previous financial year. It has transported little less than the previous financial year due to the internal uses of for its own thermal power stations. C. A majority of coal mines, open cast and underground, achieved 100% target. So what is the right answer? Let's see the options. Which of the above statement, not state. Where is meant gone away? Okay, statement. Wow, what handwriting. Statement is correct. So what is the answer? A, B, A, B, C, A and C only, or C? It has produced more coal than the previous financial year. Is it right or wrong? No, this is not. This is not right. It has transported little less than the previous financial year due to the internal. So no, this is not right as well. A majority of coal mines, open cast and underground achieved 100% target. Yes, absolutely. Okay? Because this point cannot be go with A or B. So only C will be your answer. Question number 5, the last question of the set 1 series. According to the National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization (NOTO), the following states emerged as the top 4 in the number of deceased donor transplants. Okay, and in 2022 arrange them in the descending order. Guys, this is a very noble work. If you just donate your body parts, I have already donated my all body parts. When I die, don't kill me. If someone come here to kill me, don't do that. Okay, so I have done this for noble cause. That will be natural. Okay, and in 2022 arrange them in the descending order: Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Telangana or Karnataka. So descending order says number one is Telangana. Great. Number 1 is Telangana. Number 2 Tamil Nadu. Okay, number 2 Tamil Nadu. Number 3 Maharashtra. Okay, and number 4 is Karnataka. Wow. Okay. So option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. So that's all about today's class. We'll meet soon with further questions. So be there. Subscribe the channel so that you can get all the information related to your upcoming examinations. So bye bye. Take care.